the king of all the planets. Curiosities about Jupiter. A total of 9 NASA missions have tried to explore Jupiter and its moons, although none have managed to get close enough to obtain physical evidence to further investigate this planet. A divine name. This planet, known for hundreds of years, owes its name to the Roman deity Jupiter. This Roman god may be better known in its Greek equivalent, Zeus, the father and king of all gods. Moreover, due to its name, the various Jovian moons that have been discovered over time have been named after their lovers, conquests and daughters. A miniature solar system. There have been nothing more and nothing less than 67 moons in the orbit of the planet. 53 of them have been confirmed, but NASA researchers are still studying the rest. With such a large number of satellites, Jupiter is considered to have its own small solar system. All of them are interesting, but the 4 discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610, which is why they are called Galilean satellites, are the ones that most interest the scientific community, with their own remarkable data. They are Io, Europa, Ganimedes, and Callisto. A very attractive planet. Jupiter's magnetosphere is what is called the region of space that is under the influence of the planet's magnetic field. Its extension in the direction of the Sun is around 3 million kilometers, but its wingspan is much more striking in the opposite direction. This field of attraction extends to over 1 billion kilometers, practically touching the orbit of Saturn. Short days, eternal years. The rotation and translation movements of Jupiter are very different from those of the Earth. While a day on Jupiter consists of only 10 hours, this planet takes the equivalent of 12 Earth years to go around the Sun. A year on Jupiter is nothing more and no less than 1,433 Earth days. An ocean of hydrogen. The composition of Jupiter resembles in many ways that of the Sun, mainly hydrogen and helium. Due to pressure and high temperatures, hydrogen in the gaseous state becomes liquid, forming the largest ocean that exists in the solar system, a large ocean of hydrogen. And although scientists are still not sure, this liquid could conduct electricity when it is at the depths near the planet's core, due to the enormous pressures. Io, the satellite in constant eruption. This Galilean moon has the honor of being the body that registers the most volcanic activity in the entire solar system. It has more than 400 active volcanoes and a constant flow of tides that cause waves of more than 100 meters in height. Such intense geological activity has acted as a lifting on the surface of the satellite, erasing any mark of craters. The Great Red Spot. Observed for the first time in the 17th century, this giant mark of the Jovian surface is the best known and prominent feature on colorful cutis of the planet. It is a kind of eternal storm, a whirlpool that has been active for hundreds of years, turning at 400 kilometers per hour and inside which could fit the entire planet Earth. Ganymede, the largest moon. Ganymede is the older sister of all the moons of the solar system, surpassing in scale Mercury and the dwarf planet Pluto. And not only that, it is the only known satellite that has its own magnetic field. The giant of the solar system. This outer planet is the largest and the one that registers a greater mass in our solar system. Not even his little brothers could overcome the size of this giant, since Jupiter doubles the sum of the masses of the rest of the planets that revolve around the Sun. And not only that, its diameter is 11 times greater than that of our blue planet, and a total of 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. Europe, the icy satellite. The smallest of the 4 Galilean moons contains twice as much water as Earth and, although it is covered by a layer of ice, scientists have found evidence that under this icy mantle an ocean could be hidden. That is why researchers are so curious about Europe. Their frozen hearts could hold life.